Welcome to Sarada Tutorials. I am Anil. I teach competitive English. Today my topic is voice. Already we discussed many rules in voice. Now we are going to discuss about suggestion in voice. How to change active voice into passive voice, especially with help of suggestion. If we get this type of sentence, how to change it? We are going to learn about it. Let us discuss. Let me tell you one thing. Let is used to express the decided actions. Already I decided to discuss with my friend. At that time I can say, let us discuss here, please come. I can ask the same thing in another way, like this. Shall we discuss? Don't think that it comes under permission. I am not taking his permission. Just I am asking. If he is willing or unwilling, he should discuss with me. Okay? Because he is my friend. Let us come here. Like that. Shall we discuss? Come fast. Like that. In that way. For if it is the question, what is the answer? We shall. We shall discuss. I already told you, shall we shall can be written as let us. Okay. Now we are going to write let us discuss example into passive form with help of this format. It is suggested that we should discuss. It is suggested that we should discuss. Why we are writing we here? We is the subjective form of us. Okay? Us changed into we. And should be used for advice or suggestion. Remember this rule, it is very important. But we are discussing about suggestion here. So we are using should for suggestion. Let us swim. The same thing. Shall we swim? We shall swim. Let us swim. In that way, it is suggested, the same format, that no need to worry about anything. Let us. Already we discussed. It should be changed into we should. Copy the same verb. What is here? We should swim. Okay? Let us talk. See the another example. Let us talk. In the sense, I decided to talk to my friend. If he is willing or unwilling, I have started to talk to him. I have started talking, okay? At that time. Let us start here. About what? About some topic. It is suggested that, again, let us change it to we should. We should talk. Observe here carefully. Shall we discuss? If it is the example we discussed about, we shall discuss. Let us discuss. Let comes under shall. Here we are using suggested that. Suggested, it is in past form. For past, what is past form of shall? Should. on behalf of that. In the sense, because of that reason, because of that rule we are using here, we should. It is very important. Remember, while I am saying anything, please make a note. If you have any doubt, please ask me through your comment. If you like my video, please share it to your friends. Please subscribe my channel to get some more information from me. Thank you.